So here we go with something completely different. Haven't seen one of these come out of the shop. This is a 1996 ERA number 464 Cobra. It was shipped as a stage 2 with paint. We did a complete strip down of this car. Took out the motor, took off control arms, calipers, all that. Redid the body. It looked like it was peppered by a shotgun. Did any body work needed, took care of all the chips, primed it, painted it in forest green with Wimbledon white stripes. So it's a little cloudy today, so you don't see the pearl in it as much, but it's there. Really makes the car pop. So externally, you look, everything was cleaned up, all the lenses, all the chrome, the side pipes were recoated with the ceramic. It got brand new Trigo 5-pin wheels. So there's no lugs on those, lug nuts showing on them, with a true knockoff, safety wired. Roll cage got all polished up. Tapered stripes on the body. New jack pads all around, front and rear. Vintage gas cap got cleaned up. Then interior wise, all the carpet was taken out, replaced. Dashboard refinished. New side mirror. Seats were all cleaned up. Got new seat belts in there. New shifter boot and ring. Body was put back together, making sure everything aligned perfectly and nothing rubbed. Oh, comes the sun a little bit. We'll get a little bit of that pearl really popping there. And you'll notice doors open really nicely. Although most of the time you're just hopping in the car anyway. So part of the stripping it down, it got new ball joints, new calipers, new bushings. The wire, a lot of the wire was reworked. I'm going to pause a second and open up the engine bay to show that. So here we are looking at that big block 428, completely rebuilt. Got a new carburetor, new air filter, a turkey pan here got added. New aluminum radiator up front with a new high performance spout fan. New distributor. The carburetor is a Holley vacuum secondary carb, which had to be fit to the turkey pan. All new hoses, all new AN lines, any wires that needed to be replaced, like these 2 fuse blocks there needed to be replaced. They were pretty cruddy from all the years. New brake fluid, antifreeze, oil. So with that, I'm going to fire this baby up. You get to hear the sound of the big block. So I did most of the body work and the paint on this, and Richie, who's been with me for 7 years, working on the other cars, did all the mechanics, all the rebuilds of the control arms, etc. He used to work with ERA years ago and knows these cars in and out. But overall, he's a mechanical genius. You know, if there's something that needs to be done mechanically, he's got it. If he doesn't have it instantly, he figures it out. Getting this thing to run as beautifully as it is a small miracle. What it came to us from and what it is now, it's better than new at this point. So hats off to Richie on this car.